What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome, Cardano family. And today, in this video, I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit about the recent turmoil we've had with FTX and how this has benefited Cardano as a holder and as an investor. Before I get down to it, please subscribe to this channel. Just hit the button down below, like this video, and turn on notifications. We have content and videos daily covering Cardano and much other of the other cryptos that you guys have in your wallets. So with that being said, let's get down to it. Cardano avoids the FTX tragedy that happened yesterday thanks to this, okay? So almost every altcoin, every crypto took a beating yesterday, okay? Not only did we have the midterms, we also had this FTX Binance off-the-record takeover from Sam Bankman-Fried due to their insolvency, okay? So for those of you that don't know what insolvency was, basically, to put it in a nutshell, CZ, the CEO of Binance, basically called FTX out, their exchange out based on their books, okay? So their balance sheets were off. They didn't have enough collateral to cover the assets that they were exchanging and owning, right? So there was a discrepancy with that balance sheet enough where CZ felt it was a power move, not just doing what is right to protect Binance, but basically wanted to avoid what happened with the depegging of UST as it relates to that big turmoil back with Do Kwon and all of that news, okay? So CZ was trying to avoid and learn from that mistake that they made with UST, okay? So why is this important? Well, not only does it create a huge gap in the market cap when you dissolve FTX, but all of these assets that were tied into the FTX exchange basically get those native tokens basically get bloodbath. Okay, they go into the red. They're going to fall. They're going to drop. They're going to see a loss, and it's going to go on and on and on. Okay, so these sell-offs that we're seeing is basically warranted by this giant sell-off coming from the FTX exchange and the drop in FTT tokens due to the pairings that FTT has with those native tokens, all right? However, as Cardano holders, we literally dodged a bullet, okay? So Hoskinson is very vocal about what happened. He's been on his webcam talking about what happened, and basically they did not get in the spot market on FTX in time, okay? And this was just a week ago, all right? So Cardano was getting on the FTX exchange. They would have been a spot swap, and and that would have been very, very tragic. You could see, if we take a quick look at the crypto bubbles, you could see even today, if we can find Cardano, right? So this is after all the dust has settled and there's been some buyback. Cardano is only down 7% opposed to Ethereum, which is 15%. Okay, Matic is down another 15%. So we're seeing these levels subside, all right? But 7% on 7% in these 2 days is still a decrease for Cardano, and it is just the subject of all tides rising and falling together due to this FTX turnover, all right? So not only did they benefit from this FTX crash, also what is important to note, there are other coins that absolutely did not benefit, and they were tied in on the spots in the FTX exchange, okay? Most notably Solana, okay? 40% of Solana has went down, a much volatile crypto, but Solana is another top market cap crypto. Lost 40% in volume due to the FTX crash, okay? So as Cardano holders, just kind of a breath of fresh air and a sigh of relief that they did not get on the spot market in time, okay? So with that being said, let's take a quick look at the Cardano chart via coin market cap. You can see we're trading at 36 cents, down 6% on the day, and giving back all of these gains that we've seen since October back into the 44 range. It's just the market continues to be volatile. Okay, there's a lot of macroeconomic factors at hand, and I've been saying it for months. Cardano is clearance on aisle 7. Okay, So scoop it up while you can. It is very naive in the development down their roadmap as they go on and on. Unveiling more projects and updates along that roadmap. Okay, so trading at 36 cents, all I can say is clearance on aisle 7 when it comes to Cardano. This is a fire sale. This is way too cheap of price action when we see Cardano and we look at the all-time and see where we could be headed in the long term. This is just a very naive token with great leadership and great things to come. Very bullish on Cardano. I'm very vocal about that. It is my largest holding in my wallet. Not financial advice. However, that is just how I view Cardano and when it comes to my assets. So please do your own research when it comes to Cardano and all things financial. Let me know what you guys think about Cardano just missing the bullet with the FTX crash, and we'll have video updates on Cardano as we move through the elections and with this FTX. Let's let the dust settle when it comes to this crash that we saw yesterday and see, because I think we're going to get some buyback as we head into the weekend. So thank you all for watching, and we will see you all in the next one.